What is up, Cravers? It is your girl Sandy, and I am back with another video. Today's very productive video where I'm going to be, first of all, I have not set up my silhouette. As you see, silhouette is still sitting over there. And Saturday, I don't think I said anything about this. Saturday, guys, I had noticed transactions on my card, like $10 even. Long story short, I don't know if I went into detail, but if I'm saying this again, I'm apologize now. But I tried to get out, take care of it before the bank closed at 2 o'clock on Saturday, and had to go back home, turn around, go back home because forgot my debit, my ID card because I was scanning it for documentation I had to, fill out for daycare, blah, blah, blah. So anyway, I go home, I get my card, I go back out. I get there, I just got a gut-wrenching feeling that I'm not going to be able to get a card. I had a feeling. So I get there and the guy said he didn't have anybody and it's a shortage. And I said, okay, you know what, Sunday, banks are closed. Let me just get some money. I had to put gas in my car, in case if I need to go to the grocery store, get something, just, a couple dollars, get me through for a couple days. I don't have any bills due this week, which is good because I paid it all up until the following week because I get paid on Friday. And I was just like, I just paid everything up until then. I didn't want them to send me a card because I'm not about to wait 5 to 7 days and I ain't got time for snail mail. I don't have time for it. I'm at work, I tell my supervisor, what happened over the weekend, cause we like to discuss, little stuff like that, and I'm like, well, I don't have a debit card. And, yeah, so I've called around, guys, not even playing. 6 branches, 6. Either they have somebody or have to make an appointment or they don't have nobody. And it was just literally the same. Either they got somebody or they need it, or I don't know. It's pretty much the same thing all over. I was not anticipating on wasting most of my lunch trying to get a debit card, but I'm not even gonna go there, you know what I'm saying? I'm just going to take care of what I need to take care of, get my card. They say, oh, we're looking at any other disputes if we have to. I said, okay, that's fine. Yeah, it's been real crazy. Oh my gosh, y'all. My lips are on fire. I need to make my own lip scrub or something. But anyway, that is what I'm starting off with today. Work has been pretty smooth. I've also started my 2nd kit, and then I'll start my 3rd kit later this week. Planning to, I will, so that way I could just keep the ball rolling. Hopefully, if I make at least, I don't know. I don't want to say a number of how many kits I want done, because sometimes if I say a number, I got a feeling it's not gonna happen. So I'd rather just keep my motivation of start a new kit, about finished, start a new one, go back, finish the one, finish the 2nd one, go back to the 3rd one, start a 4th one, you know what I'm saying? So anyway, so yeah, so that is what I'm on a mission. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. And yeah, start of my day. Finally left. I still got some time to get back home. I'll be a little bit late getting back, but it's okay. Got my new card. Now it's the fun part begins, where I have to go in, delete everywhere my card is linked to, my bills and stuff, and yeah, go from there. Also got to take that card out of my just switching out everything. So it went pretty good. It's always good talking to financial advisors. He said, I'd rather you not get fee, get a fee for not keeping up with the threshold of holding the account. And that is the whole crazy thing to me about banks is, why do we have to keep a certain threshold in order for us to not get charged a fee for not keeping, you know what I'm saying? You would think banks were see, I got a little spoiled because I just got a little spoiled, let's just say that. But not even my business account requires me to have a certain amount in there, you know what I'm saying? And that's the whole crazy part about it. I know some accounts do have it. Let's say if I was making a good, let's say 3, 4, maybe 5 grand a month, maybe it wouldn't be nothing, but I don't have any issues with my bank that I have for my business, and then it's my personal bank. Like, they want you to keep $500 per month either holding or deposited into the account, and I'm just like, why is that? You know what I'm saying? What if somebody, like, you know, like my kid, you know, and I know there's so many accounts out there, but like, what if I want my kid to have a bank account? And you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm just saying, but I know, like I said, there's other banks and other, you know, things for that. So, but it's just really crazy how they do that. You know what I'm saying? It's like, so you want us to make sure we keep this amount just to use your bank and that we won't get feed. Okay, like, you know, like, and I can just imagine, like, in a worst case scenario, you losing your job and you can't keep up with the threshold. What you gonna do, charge me a fee because I don't have my job anymore? You know what I'm saying? There's, you know, it's hard times for people, y'all. It's hard times. I'm just very serious. So I don't know, guys, maybe I'm just, it's just really crazy how you really don't, you know, banks don't, I don't know, man. This is really crazy. People pay billions in dollars of overdraft fees. You know what I'm saying? Like, billions. Look at that floral. Look at that green. Yes. Yes. Again, honor thyself. More yellow, more green. It's sunny out here this year. It's a lot of sun. It's a lot to be grateful. A lot of growth. We have some beautiful affirmations going vertical. We got a lot of blooming. We got a lot of patient queen. Needs to deal with a message for some of us that's trying to rush the process because we don't want to deal with the pain. But if you don't deal with the pain, how will you learn not to do what you did that caused that pain? You gotta sit sometimes in the pocket. That's why being still is to teach you, not to hurt you. And so you won't go back and make the same mistake. Blooming, growing, loving, hope. That's what we need on this journey as we move forward with the new things that we're coming accustomed to. Let's go. Yes, mind boxes. Girl, I can't write straight through. We got some more of the tracking and the hearts that we come to love. We got full boxes. We got more headers. We got, look at that. It's beautiful. Beautiful. We got dolls. We got affirmations. We got rest, reset, forgive, peace. I know y'all don't like that F word. We got all kinds of stuff. Love you, trust you, be you. Yes. Yes. All of this. It's a little something here for everybody. Okay, so somebody said, what does bloom bear? So bloom bear means to bloom with new things, new perspective. You're not taking no old perspective. You're not taking your baggage with you. It's pretty much walking out here without your security, spiritual blanket. And you're allowing your new journey to guide you and allow you to trust yourself to make the decisions that you need that's going to benefit you and allow you to be the person that you want the world to see. No. Yes. I need to check to see if you ate your food or not. The code will be able, no, that's a good question. The code, you won't need the code for the bundle. You won't need the code for the bundle because the bundle will already have the discounts in place, so you can just check in and check. Great. So so I have an industrial, you know, I have an industrial plug right here. So while I'm putting all these Cricuts, so not only that I'll have 3 Cricuts and 2 printers into this wall, I have 4 outlets, okay? And I'm like, uh-oh. So I have another plug, but this is the problem. This is the problem. This bad boy has the 2 in the curve ends. It has the... Oh no, wait a minute. I can't use this. Oh, I thought it was a curve end. Dude. I don't know. Okay, never mind. Never mind. I can use this now. I just really hate using like extra like little stuff or stuff like this. I can't use this. Oh, okay. I don't know why like I instantly thought that this was, what was that? My camera did something weird. Yeah, I don't have time for camera issues today. I kid you not. I don't have time for it. So I don't know. I'm gonna have to look into this though. I don't really like this into this. So okay. So I'm okay. All right, back on cue. Oh boy. Got the light up. I'm gonna wipe it down. So it's white. It is white. I'll get it. It doesn't clash too much with my aesthetic. So I've just okay. Okay. I'm just gonna have to really yeah, I don't know. I gotta figure all this stuff. I'm so silhouette illiterate, guys. It's not even funny. Oh, okay. You can set up Bluetooth here. The quarters on the side. I'm just like, oh. But just gonna let y'all know, I'm not jumping into this yet. I'm just going to get to know my machine. I just found these little parts or something. Oh wait, what is this? Oh, the blade maybe already found these. I'm like, okay. So I'm just like, okay, you know. Stay tuned for videos on that. Yeah, let's just say that. But in the meantime, I'm loving this little setup, but at the same time, guys, as you can see, I probably can't even see on camera, but of course this is leaning. Like I said, this is not supposed to be laid down anyway, and it doesn't have much weight. Like right here is like leaning down some. So yeah, I'm gonna have to, you know, but right now, like I said, I'm gonna have to get something, and then I move Alexa up here. Yeah, I'm talking to you.
You are 2.39 miles. 3.
You giving out my coordinates? Hold the phone. You better chill out. You know what I'm saying? You get kicked out of here. Don't be giving out my coordinates. I'm over here recording. You giving out my coordinates? No, we're not doing that. Oh my gosh, guys. Cut the live. Cut the video. I'll see you guys in the next vlog.